Hi, I am Manju Singh. I am a tarot coach and a healer.
Hi, my name is Arpit.
Hello, my name is Ajit Pani.
My name is Nishan Srivastav. I am a career coach.
Hi, I am Devsha.
Getting the right mentorship, I think we looks in our daily life, which is the core solution for everything.
He talked to us one-to-one, and so much insights I got from the one-on-one meeting.
He teaches organic marketing and sells very good. There I get so many values and it helped me to grow my business.
And I have joined TBM some 6 to 8 months back. And the best part about TBM and Sagar is that he puts up so much effort in each and every small thing that it will definitely going to get you the results.
Sagar would be the right person to help you out in which, so definitely you can contact him and definitely you can take mentor.
So this is really amazing. Thanks to Sagar and hats off to his hard work.
I'll definitely recommend him for organic marketing.
If you want to grow your marketing, please join the Sagar Sangam Sahu. Thank you so much.
So I don't think that there will be a better place than TBM if you are looking for anything related to organic marketing.